Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by creating one clear, measurable intention. Name the outcome and a 3-month target. Explain why this matters. Clarity directs attention and resources. Once set, inventory prerequisites, skills, time, money, and supportive people. That shows gaps. Then take the first action. Book 3 30-60-minute focused planning sessions this week and outline the first 3 tasks for each. This immediate momentum shifts you from wanting to doing, so make sure the tasks are specific and time-boxed. Now build systems that carry the intention forward. Decompose the outcome into weekly milestones and daily habits that compound. Explain why systems beat motivation. They automate behavior and reduce decision fatigue. Once done, create environmental cues. Place tools where you work, set 30-minute rituals, and remove friction for desired actions. Also implement feedback loops with weekly reviews and simple metrics so you can course correct. Make sure to aim for small, consistent gains, about 1% improvements, so progress remains sustainable and measurable. Finish by executing a 90-day run focused on the systems you've built. This time frame yields meaningful data. Explain why. Repeated cycles reveal what works and what fails. As you go, measure and make biweekly adjustments. Scale what accelerates results, pivot what drains energy. When closing the cycle, finalize the sustainable components to keep. If things stall, troubleshoot by isolating the biggest bottleneck and testing one change at a time. Run a simple A/B comparison for a single variable to see clear impact before wider shifts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.